Welcome to Earnings 101. Today we'll be discussing how to make money with e-commerce. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you find it helpful. With the global e-commerce market expected to reach $4.5 trillion by 2021, there's immense potential for those looking to make money in this industry. In this video, we'll explore how to get started making money with e-commerce, and why it's such a great opportunity. First, let's define what e-commerce is. E-commerce, also known as electronic commerce, refers to the buying and selling of goods or services over the internet. E-commerce businesses can range from small, home-based businesses to large, international corporations. There are many advantages to starting an e-commerce business. For one, it's cost-effective, as there's no need to rent or buy physical storefront space, and many e-commerce businesses can be run completely from a home office. Additionally, e-commerce businesses have relatively low startup costs compared to other types of businesses. Another advantage is that it gives you access to a global market. With an online store, you can sell your products to customers anywhere in the world 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Finally, e-commerce provides you with a flexible way to do business. You can set your own hours and work from anywhere in the world with an internet connection. Let's take a closer look at why e-commerce is growing. First, more and more people are shopping online every year. The convenience and wide selection of goods available online make it an attractive option for busy consumers. Additionally, with faster internet speeds and more prevalent mobile devices, it's easier than ever for people to shop online while on the go. Secondly, there has been a shift in consumer spending habits as people increasingly spend money on experiences rather than things. This experience economy has been good news for e-commerce businesses that sell tickets or subscriptions, as well as businesses that sell products that enhance customer experiences. Thirdly, new technologies are making it easier for small businesses to enter the e-commerce marketplace. Platforms like Shopify allow small businesses to easily create professional-looking websites. Lastly, social media platforms such as Instagram, Snapchat, and Pinterest have become powerful marketing tools for e-commerce businesses. As you can see, e-commerce is a booming industry with ample opportunities for those looking to make money. Whether you're selling products online, developing e-commerce applications, or providing other services related to e-commerce, there are many ways to tap into this growing industry and start generating revenue. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos on the channel. And visit our website, www.earnings101.com, for more information on how to make money online.